I was convinced Docker was a problem. Something is broken, requests are failing, and the metrics were brutal, and Docker was the suspect. Same server, same workload. Native Nginx was almost twice as fast. Everything pointed to Docker. But then things got weird. CPU wasn't busy, memory wasn't busy, the server looked healthy, and requests were still failing. That doesn't make sense. So I stopped looking at the Docker and started looking at the host. And I found something strange. This number was just 1024. At first I ignored it. Then I checked the logs and found this. The kernel was dropping packets. Wait, the kernel? I was blaming Docker. At that point, everything changed. So I increased the contract limit. That's it. No Nginx changes. No extra CPU, no extra RAM. One kernel setting. And suddenly, everything was stable again. This is the interesting part. Docker really was slower. The benchmark was correct, but it was pointed at a symptom, not the cause. See? I saw Docker performing worse. I saw requests failing, and I blamed Docker. Honestly, that was a mistake. Docker exposed the issue, but Docker wasn't causing it. The kernel was. This is why debugging is hard. The benchmark wasn't wrong. The logs weren't wrong. My conclusion was wrong. And if I stopped at the first answer, I would have blamed Docker too.